48 degrees here on the porch. Feels like 28. You're out on the deck today with Pwalpar, and we're cooking some ribeye steaks. Recipe for today: take one well-lit propane grill, take two well-seasoned ribeye steaks, put them on the grill, close the lid, and start them cooking. We'll give them about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. They ought to be just about done by then. I was just reflecting on days gone by a long time ago when I was in the U.S. Navy, standing quarterdeck watch on the USS Carman. It was a coastal minesweeper, MSC 195, I believe was the number, or was it 193? I was on both those boats anyway, it doesn't matter, it was one of them. Standing quarterdeck amidships, standing there on the wooden deck, looking over the bulwark. The white caps are blowing, capping just a little bit on the bay. Somewhere off in the distance, a tugboat is working, I can hear him. It's a rainy day, it's cold, I'm wearing my pea coat. Got the collar turned up, trying not to freeze because the temperature is around 30-something degrees. And we stand here for 4 hours wearing a military 45, complete with ammunition, guarding the gangway. Challenge anybody who comes aboard the ship. They have several watches you stand during the day on quarterdeck. We had like the mid-watch, that's 12 to 4. The 4 to 8 watch, the 8 to 12, 12 to 4, 4 to 8. Unless you were standing port and starboard duty, then we did 6-hour watches. When you stand in port and starboard duty, you're short-handed, so you stand a longer watch. But I had some pleasant days standing out there on that ship, biding my time, watching the ships go by. I came real close, my friends, to staying in the Navy and making a career of it, but I decided against it. Pay wasn't good enough. My life would have been considerably different had I done that. Let's go check our steaks. Oh, that looks lovely. Yes, indeed. We'll take that booger bear up in just a few minutes. Take a good look, my friends. Don't because we wish we had some smell-o-vision here. That is looking good and smelling great. Anyway, I do hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. Y'all take care. This is Pwalpar signing off.